Hi, it's Olivia, and today I have a bucket of eggs. So now I will start by opening my blue egg. It's hard to open. Okay, got it. And I have this griffin. So now I'm gonna open my pink egg. I have another glittery toy. Now I have my yellow egg. Oh, cute. It's another little pony. I have a light green egg. And I got another pony. It's really cute. Okay, now I'm going to open up my pink egg. And I have a My Little Pony blind bag. The one I want is Rainbow Swoops right here. So now I will open it up and hope I get the one I wanted. Let's look at the card. Oh my gosh, I did get it. Wow, that's so cool. He is cool. I noticed something. These two have the same cutie mark. That's weird. I don't think they're supposed to have the same cutie mark. Also, I'm really surprised that I got the one I wanted. Let me show you the card. It's all wrinkled because it was in that egg. And it says, Rainbow Swoop loves to fly over rainbows as fast as he can. That's cool. Now I will open my hot pink egg. That's what I got. Now I will open my other light green egg. And it's Twilight Sparkle. Cool. Now I will open my light blue egg. Got this pony. This one's really cute. Now I will open up my orange egg. Princess Twilight Sparkle. Cool. Now I will open up my purple egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is cute. Little chubby pony. Now my last egg. And I got this cute little pony. I think they use the same mold as Pinkie Pie. As you can see, same mold as Pinkie Pie right here. They're next to each other too. Okay, that's the same mold. So that's the video for today. Bye! Hi, it's Olivia again, and I have a blind bag tip. You know how I always get the ones I wanted? Like today, I got Rainbow Swoops. I feel the bag, because you can kind of, I could feel through the bag, the mohawk here, and I can feel this leg perching up like this, and I can also feel the tail. Also, I could feel these big wings. So, you have to feel the bag, and sometimes you don't get the ones you want, because, like, one time I was trying to get Rainbow Swoops, and I got this one right here, because I felt the wings and everything, and I thought it was him, but it wasn't. So, that's a tip for today. So, bye for now.